seconds. Do it, trust me.
Christy, what are you making there?
Wait, hold on.
A dragon.
We have to do it together.
I don't know. Looks
Okay.
Like
One big breath.
Looks
Ready?
pretty
1, 2, 3,
interesting,
go. Oh, you fucked up. Okay, one more time. Ready? 1, 2, 3, go. Damn it! It's not gonna work. It's not gonna work unless we both.
Okay, I'm sorry. I'm trying.
Are we trying?
Okay.
We're curing the hiccups.
1, 2, 3.
Okay.
Did you make a bedazzled cookie?
Ryan, I love you. Why is this not fun? Okay, there we go.
Too easily. 1, 2, 3, go.
Why are you bedazzling guns?
Danielle!
I can do it. I promise.
Where are you? Is this a way?
Yeah, is it pretty? I'm ready. I promise. Where are you? We got you a present.
We did.
It's a white chocolate.
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, good. I'm so excited. Thank you.
The bag's back there. Okay. All right. I better.
We're gonna be here for like a while.
We brought chocolate for Danielle, so there you go. There's your chocolate.
And it's good chocolate.
And it's good chocolate too. That's like Lint chocolate.
Dude, I paid.
So,
Why?
Dylan!
Hey, how you guys doing?
Dylan!
We're gonna be here a while. We're waiting on somebody.
Yeah, I want to see your white
Why did you poke me?
Wow.
That
wasn't you, I know,
Yep. We should make a shake.
Okay, you guys, when we're in LA doing our audition, please come here and get Danielle and Dylan to like make a video. And send it to
wish us luck.
To wish
Will
them
you
luck.
What are you guys doing?
We're going to audition for American Idiot, the touring
focus.
company of it,
Okay.
and we need good luck from our favorite
In
lady.
LA next weekend.
Yeah.
Really?
Yes.
Yeah, and it's
Are you
gonna be
guys, like,
awesome.
in a band?
No, we're in one giant cast.
What is
The
it?
band.
What is
For
it?
the band? For the
What is
band?
American Idiot?
It's a musical.
It's a musical. If you
All
ever-
songs by Green Day.
Yeah. Yeah. The score is written by Green Day, so it's
That's pretty awesome.
it's freaking wonderful. So I'm excited to go.
Oh, thank you. Okay, I'm gonna